been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a ultimate clean with me, and I'm starting first in my car. It needed it so bad, so I wanted to go ahead and just get that done today since it was really nice outside.
Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my city.
So I wanted to do something fun in this video, so I'm going to be doing some this or that questions throughout this video. So please leave your comments down below of the this and that questions. I think there are 5 questions in all.
I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
So since we're to this part, to go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Courtney, and I am a teacher, as you can probably tell now, but I have been teaching pre-K in a school system this is my 2nd year, and I've been teaching overall for 5 years now. And I am from Alabama, as you can also tell from my accent, and I love to do cleaning videos, DIY videos, and cooking videos. Also, I have an Instagram where I do motivational videos of like working out or running, or just like mini snippets of cleaning. So I would love for you to follow me. My handle name is The Life of Courtney 19.
Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car.
My best friend didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we.
So I kind of wanted to explain why the books are sitting in my car. Because we're doing online teaching, I had to bring all my books home. Well, not all of my books, but most of my books home, just so I can have books. Because we're pre-K and we are, we do things a little bit different from regular school systems. We have been doing books online, and so we've been reading our books to our kids online. And so I just needed some books to go with each topic. And again, it's not just me. We have 4 units of pre-K in my school, and so we've all been kind of like taking turns doing that. So that's the reason why the books were in my car.
Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless.
order, and this is the method one, and I really love it. I absolutely love it. And you're also going to see me use my Mrs. Meyer's the rose scent in the car as well. But I did not show where I was going to the car wash because I did this on a Wednesday because I go into work. We go in once a week, and our days are on Thursdays. So I went to the car wash on that day since that was the day that I was going to be going into town. And if you don't know this already, I live an hour away from my work, and so I couldn't go to the car wash, drive an hour to the car wash and then drive another hour to go to work again the next day. So I just waited to do that on a Thursday. But also want to explain the reason why I was going an hour to my car wash, and it's because I already had a membership there. And if you look into this, I don't know if they do it in other places, but where my membership is, you can buy a membership for $35 and you can go to the car wash as many times you want to, but you can only go one a day. So there's 30 days in a month, you can go every single day. So I feel like that's a great deal. So that's the reason why I have a membership with my car wash.
Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We don't ever need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone. You gotta understand that we get one chance.
Now I am moving on to my bedroom, and I just needed to put my sheets and comforter back onto my bed. I washed my sheets that morning, and I just needed to get that done. And then I had stuff on my dresser, and I'm telling you, this room is so different from my last bedroom that I had. But again, I'm very thankful for this room. But it's a lot smaller than my last bedroom, and so any type of clutter makes the room look even smaller and messier. So I had to make sure that I stay on top of this. So I still do my regular routine of washing my sheets once a week, and I try to straighten up at least every other day, because sometimes I don't do it every day, but every other day try to take out my trash and make sure my dresser and my nightstand are clean off and everything. So, and just make sure I have everything kind of picked up off the floor.
I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated.
Okay, so I had an outfit change. I'm going to have a few outfits change in this video, because in the next clip you're going to see me change again. But I had on a long sleeve this morning because I was cold in the house, and then I went outside and did the car wash thing, and I got hot, and then I came back in and I changed into another shirt because I was hot, and then I started cooking dinner. I cooked dinner this night, and I got cold again, so I put on my sweatshirt. Well, then, as you can tell now, I was, cleaning, and I got back hot again, so I took off my sweatshirt, and that's the shirt that I'm wearing now. So that is the reason why for all the outfit changes. It's not because it was a different day, it was just because I just kept getting hot, and then I would get cold, and I would get hot again.
'Cause I am on my way. I am on my way. I am on my way. enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby, going down, down, down.
So this video is coming to an end, just cleaning this off, and also wanted to get my mirrors clean and my TV screen clean. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. But if you don't already follow me on Instagram, I plan to do a lot more of my cleaning snippets and more motivational workout, because I'm on a journey to lose some weight. And so I have been showing like just some of my workout stuff, and feel free to ask me any type of questions about it. I'm learning as I go, but also, I used to play sports, so I do know somewhat of what I'm doing. But I also just wanted to make sure that I get myself back on track for a healthier life. So make sure you give me a follow. My handle name is The Life of Courtney 19, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.